Speaker sir, answer as per computer sheet provided to the honorable member.
Speaker sir, I will be very brief since there are only 2 minutes. This is a very important question regarding rebuilding of places of historical importance and protected sites in Goa. I had asked ABCDE whether the government has decided to rebuild, reconstruct, renovate, refurbish places of worship. If so, details of relevant documents, including the proposal, moved to the effect. The answer that I got was yes, government intends to reconstruct places of worship. Now, Speaker sir, and it is under process. If you look at D, Speaker sir, I had asked the present condition of various historical monuments, martyrs' memorials connected to the Goa Revolution movement. I had tabled a starred LQ in the Home Department. On 12th, it was transferred to the Archaeology Department. I would want to know, Speaker sir, maka ek list dila that 51 monuments have, this Archaeology Department is taking care of. Now, in that 51 places, historical places are not in the list. For example, Speaker sir, Lohia Maidan, where Dr. Lohia and Dr. Julian Menezes launched the Goa Revolution movement. There is no mention of the Martyrs Memorial at Asolna and Patra Devi. There is no mention of Azad Maidan. There is no mention of the Agwada Fort. There is no mention of the Mahadev Mandir at Chandor. Chieftain Memorial, there also, who is taking care of these? I demand, and I want to know from the Honorable Minister, since there's only 1 minute, you have to notify all these places immediately. And what is the reason why these places are not notified if it is of such historic importance?
Mantri Mahoday, time sopla, question of Prashnikal Sopta.
ते आमकां नोटिफाय करपाक जाय आनी एट प्रेजेंट म्हणजे कन्सर्न म्युनिसिपालिटीज किंवा हांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्या आनी PWD त्यो मेंटेन करताले पण हाज्या फुडें आर्किओलॉजीच्या अंडर त्यो नोटिफाय करून त्यो मेंटेन करप आनी तेचेर सेक्युरिटी प्रोवायड करप हें सगळें काम आर्किओलॉजीच्या अंडर घेवन आमी करता ताणें बरो क्वेश्चन रेज केलो.
Prashnikal.